Hello everyone and welcome back to my collection. My name is Aldrich and today we're going to be looking at the newest Lego set in my collection, the Fry's Food Truck Lego set number 60488. Just came out at the beginning of January. I wanted to get it to add to the collection of food trucks that I have. Not that I've done very many videos about them yet. But soon I will be making more. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put this together and then we'll look at it. Now that that's done, take a quick look at the back of the box just to show us. Obviously, just like the burger one before this, it does hop off of that truck there. Of course, just driving around scenes. Got some nice pictures of it here on the side. They're just the same pictures from different angles. Anyway, that's all we needed the box for. Let's get a quick little look at our minifigs. We got the worker and a construction site worker that wanted some fries, which I think is pretty cool. Both got back printing. Focus. It does say fries, which I think is pretty cool. Construction worker got some leg printing. Kind of interesting that they gave leg printing, but doesn't really matter. Nice little red hat for our the plain red hat for our fry worker. And oop, I dropped her hair. Construction worker does have a secondary face to show that she is enjoying her fries. Oh, damn it. Anyway, so let's take a quick little look. Alright, so let's take a closer look now at the truck, which isn't much. It's pretty much the exact same as the burger one, although I think, if I'm not mistaken, this piece right here is different. I don't think the burger truck has that one. I didn't look, so I'll correct myself in editing. I really like the checker stuff going on here, the checkerboard pattern to go from white to black on the truck. I think it looks really, really nice. I kind of wish they would have printed on this the checkerboard effect as well, but I get why they didn't. It's a small piece. We won't worry about it. We'll move on to the little fry shack itself. Does have a sliding window, which I really like that they're doing this more in their food trucks. It's really cool. Got a little door. Have the minifigs walk through a back window for watching them make the french fries. And of course, down in there, got your seasoning, I assume, and your little fryer right there. And of course, you can see, got some money and your little cash register tile. Put that back on. And we'll slap that back on there. And yeah, that is the Lego City food truck French fry edition. Nah, the French fry food truck from Lego City. Fries food truck. That's because it says fries there, but yeah. Looks pretty cool. This would be a very nice addition to, honestly, anyone's Lego City, especially if you already have the other food trucks. The burger one that hops off, you can have them set like right next to each other, and they'd fit in. They'd look pretty solid, even if you had them set up like this with the other non-detachable food trucks, like the pizza truck and the donut truck that was released, I think last year, maybe a year before, I don't remember. Yeah, I very much like the food truck collection or series. I don't have them all. I think I'm missing one, but yeah, hopefully I'll get that soon enough. With all that being said, I do believe we're going to end this video off. If you have enjoyed, please do leave us a like down below. Comment if you got this truck or if you've gotten any of the other Lego food trucks, what you think of them. Like I said, pretty big fan of them. I like them. Yeah, subscribe for more Lego, Beyblade, and Kamen Rider / Super Sentai and other videos coming in the near future. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on when you may be watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!